How to automatically remove the silences in Premium Pro. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So watch this video till the very end and follow the steps right here. So to automatically remove the silences in the Premium Pro, you can use the auto reframe feature along with some manual adjustments. However, Premium Pro does not have a built-in feature specifically designed to automatically detect and remove the silences in audio, but there is a workaround by auto partition or manual editing the Premium Pro. Here is how you can do this. Firstly, the method 1 is by using the auto partition preferred for the auto silence remover. Send audio to the auto partition, now automatic silence detection as well. In auto addition, you go to the window diagnosis and in the diagnostics panel, select the delete silence from the drop down menu. Click on the scan button to detect the silences in the audio. After scanning, click on the delete all to remove all the detected silences automatically. Send the audio back to the Premium Pro and you are done. The method 2 is manual remover in the Premium Pro. If you prefer not to use the auto audition, you can just use the razor tool. Delete silence section. In the Premium Pro timeline, select the razor tool, manually cut the audio clip at the points where the silence begins in it. Delete the silence section and use the ripple delete. To close the gaps left by the deleted silences, right click on the gap and choose the ripple delete. This will shift the remaining clips to close the gap automatically. Now use the audio waveform to make sure to expand the audio track to see the waveform clearly. This will help you visually identify the silent sections as well. So the method 2 is third-party plugins. There is also third-party plugins or script like AutoCrop and AutoDog that can help automate the process of removing silences in Premium Pro. These are not built in Premium but can be installed separately. And the method 4 is using the Adobe Premium's Essential Sound panel. Go to the window, Essential Sound to open the panel, assign the audio clip as dialog, use the auto match feature to balance the audio labels and manually select the reduce noise option. Now slider to help to minimize background noise, which can sometimes help for identifying where to cut. So for a fully automated process, Adobe Partition is the most efficient way to remove silences from your audio in the combination with the Premium Pro. So these are some steps how you can do this. I hope you liked the video and this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.